went ahead and spray painted the inside of the fender struts the other day off camera. They came out pretty good, and now it's time to move on to other parts of the bicycle, which today we'll be working on the brakes. That's what's happening on this episode of Featherstone Bicycles. You may recall that I was thinking that I would be able to reuse the cables because they still have the stops on them, the original stops, I believe, and they seem to be in good shape other than a little rusty, which I can take care of. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to get them through the hole on the clamp downs here, but that's all right. I can work around that. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the cables off and then take the brakes apart, and then I'll start the cleaning process. got all our brake parts cleaned up on the wire wheel. We were able to clean the hardware on the brake cables without having to take the old cables off. So now we're just going to use a little bit of simple green on some steel wool and clean up the brake cable housings. Which they're not damaged at all. There's no slits or holes in them. So that's good. And they're cleaning up very nicely. Back one is a little bit dirtier. Brakes are all done, and we've only got a few more parts left. We've got the kickstand, we've got the handlebars and the gooseneck and the seat, a few other little miscellaneous things, but we'll get those probably done on next episode. And then we've also got the front wheel, and then the final episode will be the assembly. So thanks for sticking with me, and remember, you by yourself can make a difference. So please Consider joining an army of normal folks. Links for the website and the podcast are in the description. Thanks for sticking with me, and I hope to see you next time on Featherstone Bicycles.